Is Windows failing to load because of the w32time DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start our troubleshooting for w32time, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the w32time, the Windows Time Service Library. It manages localized, unmanaged localized NTP, network time protocol, localized synchronization handshakes, ensuring the localized system clock remains localized accurate relative to localized global localized time servers. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like w32time.dll. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing w32time message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for w32time DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing w32time and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including w32time dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.